here. Push with this hand, pull with this one. Because you want it close to you like that so you can keep it on there. And when you're ready, just get your front sights lined up and squeeze the trigger. Don't pull the trigger, squeeze the trigger. Squeeze, front sight, squeeze.
Nice, Preston! Right on!
You want to try it?
Yeah. Look at that smile. Look at that. Perfect shot.
Just above it. Above it again.
Preston got it the first shot. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, you got it that time.
Raised it. He's still running.